Thank you for,
Ayoko,
for
sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayo may pa-relax
Sir,
sa President.
ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito.
Would like to excuse the President from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can,
Ayaw. Ayaw ko kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
we suspend our hearing.
Sir, pag wala ng question,
Tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas. Isa yung gasolina. Walang gasolina. Operation, walang pera yan. Alam mo, kakas...
Sinado nito mo po.